Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair. They did send me this closure wig and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy beginner friendly look. Definitely stay tuned, y'all. Let's get right into the video. So y'all, the wig did come in a bag. It also came with a few gifts, some lashes, some press-on nails, a milk band, real cute gifts. It also came with the HD wig cap, y'all. Now, this wig, I did not bleach it. I did not wash it, literally nothing. As y'all see, I will be putting it right on my head. It is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked, y'all. So this is definitely beginner-friendly for all the ladies out there that is getting into wigs, just learning about wigs, or if you're just looking for something that's easy and on the go. Y'all, when I said this wig was a 10 out of 10, it definitely was a 10 out of 10. I really don't have nothing bad to say about it, honestly, truthfully. As I mentioned, I didn't do much to it, y'all. I just literally glued it down and put the baby hairs down. So, yeah, it's definitely going to check them out.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
You changed overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting my me. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo.
So y'all, this is the final and completed look. As I mentioned, I didn't do much to this wig, y'all. I decided to put bangs in the front, y'all. I love a good middle part with some curls, some loose curls. Everything about this wig will be in the description box, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. Y'all, when I say everything about this wig, the company, literally everything, y'all, I have worked with Unice multiple times. They never disappoint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 54K. We're gonna run to 100K. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
In my body.